3 lakh long contracts, that's what clients are sitting on right now, while FIs are short 2,64,000 contracts and winning. Gift Nifty crashed 461 points overnight. Oil bounced back from 101 to $106. And today Sensex Expiry. Good Friday tomorrow, so no hedge over the weekend. This is long gamma trap, and if you're holding long, you need to hear this. India's pre-market edge. I am Tanmay Kurtakoti, season 2, episode 12. Let's go. So today is 2nd of April. Let me set the stage, because what happened in the last 48 hours is a masterclass how fast things flip. Yesterday morning, Nifty gapped up 525 points on Iran de-escalation. Oil crashed below $102. Global risk on was there. Kospi was up by 7.8%. It felt like FY27 was starting with a bang. By close, Nifty settled nicely around 22,679, gave back a big chunk but still positive, and VIX dropped to 24.87. Felt like things were calming down. Then overnight everything reversed, and today morning we saw Trump's news of the attack getting escalated in the next 2 weeks. Brent crude surged drastically from 101.70 to 105.80. That's a 5% jump in one night. WTI back above $100. Trump escalation, Iran peace hopes are gone. The oil crash that has supposed to be India's biggest tailwind dead in 12 hours. Gift Nifty this morning down almost 460 points, trading around 22,390. Dollar index just below that 100 mark, trading around 99.90. Rupee under pressure at 93.50, and gold still trading at it 46.94. But here's the part nobody is talking about. Let's go to the positioning, and that's the real story is. So pro traders have slightly sitting on 9,261 long contracts, quietly building. They don't chase, they accumulate. When pros go net long while the crowd panics, that's the signal. FIs short, massively short, 2,64,000 futures contract, and right now they are winning. Yesterday's cash market, FIs sold another 8,300 crore, while DIs absorbed around 7,100 crores in the cash market. March was a record month. FI had pulled out around 1,22,000 crore in cash. Their FNO book around 1,76,000 short for March alone. Now here's the key, the crowd. Clients are long almost 3 lakh contracts. They bought the dip yesterday thinking the rally would hold. Gift Nifty crashed 460 points overnight. Oil bounced. The gap up thesis is dead, and it's Sensex expiry today. So Good Friday tomorrow and markets are closed. That means anyone losing longs today, they carry that pain over a 2-day weekend with zero ability to hedge, along with Trump's uncertainty of what he's going to speak. So FIs is short and winning, clients are long and trapped. That's the setup. But wait, does that mean a straight line down? Not necessary, and this is where the options data gets interesting. Sensex expiry is today, and the GEX data tells you exactly what kind of day this will be. So Sensex ATM currently is at 73,100. Put OI stands at 24 lakhs. Call OI stands at 27 lakhs. So the max volume strikes are 72,500 and 73,000. That's where the gamma is concentrated, or the move is going to happen. The Sensex is already going to gap down around 72,500 this morning, and that's a whipsaw, classic long gamma behavior. This is a long gamma day. What does that mean for you? Market makers are long gamma at these strikes. Every time the Sensex moves, they hedge in the opposite direction. That creates reversals, whipsaws. You will see Sensex move 400 points one way, then 300 points back. That's not random, that's gamma. My Sensex range for today is roughly around 72,200 to 72,800. Consolidation around VWAP cannot be ruled out today. For Nifty, a weekly expiry that is on 7th, not today, but levels matter. Nifty ATM currently is at 22,700. Massive call OY wall at 22,700. 23 lakh contracts. That's the ceiling. Put support building is happening around 22,500, and my Nifty range stands at 22,200 to 22,700. So the TK-ALGO is in the sell mode, and we are seeing it. So what all sectors are doing, let me pull up the screener as well. So screener is mostly red, combined score bearish across the board, but there's one exception, defense. GRSE is up almost 20% yesterday. Mazagon was up 13%. Cochin Shipyard up 14%. Hindustan Copper up 11%. When geopolitical tensions rise, defense stock become the safe haven. That's only strong buy on the screener right now. Financials had a good April 1st. BSC was up almost 7.5%. SBI was up 4.5%, but that was the rally day. Today will test if those gains hold or not. Large caps, Reliance was up 2.5%, HDFC Bank was up by 2% yesterday. They'll open weak today. The question is, do they hold above the support or give back the entire rally that we saw yesterday? If you are reacting to headlines, you are already late. The edge is in the flow. So quick concept, what is long gamma? When market makers are net long, meaning they hold positions where their delta changes rapidly, they hedge by selling when the market goes up and buying when it drops. This creates mean reversion, and that's why on expiry days like today, you will see wild swings that all revert to a central range. The VWAP becomes a magnet. Expect the Sensex to oscillate between 72,200 and 72,800, but not a trend in direction, except huge volatility to happen today. Here's my take. Situation is bad, but not that bad. Yes, oil has bounced. Yes, clients are trapped, but wars and tension will relax. Trump will make headlines, but markets will adjust. The real risk isn't today, it's the weekend carry. If you're holding naked longs, today is your exit window. If you're flat, this is a day to watch, not trade. If you're going long, I would recommend carrying a hedge over the weekend, as it's a 3-day holiday. Rupee case Nifty held up yesterday well and gave a good alpha. The portfolio is rebalancing again on next Monday, so track it live on rupeecase.com. That's your edge for today. If this added value, share it with one trader friend who needs it right now, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or stream this podcast live on rupeecase.com. I'm building Rupeecase, India's systematic investing terminal. Link is in the show notes. You just got earlier. See you all once again on Monday. Thank you.